Aloha, you guys. It's April 22nd, Earth Day 2023, and we're so stoked to be hanging with our Supergroms with Kahākūkahi Ocean Academy and Hui o Waʻa Kaulua. Today, our lesson for the keiki is Laulima and Malama Honua, working together to take care of our planet Earth. And we're doing that by having fun surfing, paddling, doing beach activities and beach cleanups, and we also got to learn from some amazing traditional Hawaiian sailing experts and kumus from Captain Timmy and Captain Kala.
See a big canoe out there? That's you guys' canoe. That's not my canoe. That's you guys' canoe.
But what do you think they should have done?
They should have thrown it away.
Throw it away. Throw it away where?
It's an amazing day. We got amazing watermen and waterwomen volunteering their time to stoke out the kids and inspire them to be ocean guardians and watermen and waterwomen themselves. So Parley and Hui o Waʻa Kaulua just finished up their educational workshop, and now we're ready to burn some energy and hit the water with some hoe waʻa and some he'enalu and some fun beach activities that incorporate eco-innovation. Let's have some fun.
We're in the heart of Lahaina here with a bunch of local youth out here in Maui, and it's been a beautiful day, and it's just been so sick to see all the kids interacting and doing a bit of a beach cleanup, picking up the opala and taking care of the land, you know, and instilling the importance of just spending time and really giving back to the community and the environment that we get to enjoy so much.
To me, it's so important to be able to do events like this for the next generation of kids, because I feel very fortunate to have had a positive influence myself growing up on the island of Maui, being influenced by so many amazing watermen and waterwomen. So here at the Kahākūkahi Ocean Academy, we give kids a similar opportunity for positive mentorship, introducing them to sport, and connecting the life lessons and values that these sports and the communities have. And I think there's no greater thing than to give a kid a group of friends that love to do something together and to share a common goal. I hope that at the end of these events, the kids feel pride and inspired to not only continue their time on the ocean, but to continue being guardians of the ocean. Big mahalo to Austin Kalama, Kawika Kinimaka, Chrislyn Simpson-Kane, Hui o Waʻa Kaulua, the Parley team, my ohana, and of course, we paddle Maui with Fabio and Kiki. Mahalo to everyone for making our Kahākūkahi event possible, and we got more coming this year. Please learn more about us at Kahākūkahi Foundation.com to support for our next events or make donations. Aloha, you guys. Let's do it for our planet.